So, Hollis's birthday just passed. As you can see, that little short that says "Happy Birthday, Hollis." So, and he got this little bike. So today we're just gonna be riding it out here in the yard. So here we go. And also, the dogs might walk in the way. If they do, this one right here is Lucy, and this one right here is Bolt. So here we go. It's kind of the handlebars. See, he kind of has them leaning in for him. So I mean, I can't really pop high wheelies because they kind of hit my leg. So I have to just, like, I can pop maybe one a little bit higher than that. So if I actually had handlebars my height, I could pop one way higher. His handlebars are just so far. See, look, they're just slanted back for him because he likes it that way. So can't pop wheelies that high. And also, it makes me have to put my foot down or else I will literally wreck. All right, here we go. What do we do now? All right, I'm about to start. I'm about to start far away. And I'm gonna start and see how fast I can come by. Are y'all ready? Alright, here I come. I mean, I looked at the camera whenever I was going by, and it looked like I was going so slow. But I was really going faster than it looked on camera. So, yeah. And, yeah, I might. Then I was gonna do some tricks on the pegs, but I need them to be on the back. So, for the tricks that I'm thinking of, I need them to be on the back. But I'll still do something. That one sucked. I was trying to put my feet right here and just ride. All right, I'm gonna do it again. There we go. So, yeah, I'm gonna do about 3 more wheelies, and then these wheelies is the funnest thing to do. I'm talking about you can pop it up high. In my opinion, it's the funnest thing. The handlebars are just lean back, so whenever I try to do them high, I have to put my feet down. But all right, I'm gonna redo that one because that one I didn't really get high. So, all right, I'm gonna do one more. Alright, that's all. Hope y'all enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and peace.